Alright guys, we're here with Gustavo's 2003 Mitsubishi Evolution. We're here at the 2018 shootout in Ohio. How's it going, my man?
Good.
Good to see you, good to see you, yeah. So give us a rundown on the car.
Well, I have a 2003 Mitsubishi Evolution. It's built by R&D Performance in Carroll Stream. It's a 2.0, making over 800 horsepower, manly tough rods, pistons. Pretty nice done. Side exhaust, suspension work. It's on a tire.
No, this thing's really badass, man. Tell me, you said it makes over 800, so I guess you haven't dynoed. It's just been a street tune.
Yeah, it's just street tune so far. We haven't really had any time to get in the dyno yet. That's probably the next thing we're gonna do once we get everything dialed in the street. Then move on to the dyno and hopefully.
So what turbo's on the car?
It's a 6466
Precision. Okay.
Yes.
Nice. Yeah, it's a badass turbo, man.
Yeah,
that is so good.
Yes.
So I mean, being that it's a Precision 6466 on what 45 pounds, something like that.
Yeah, it's at 45 right now. We still got more room to play with it, and just I want to max it out and see what it does.
I mean, 45 pounds on a setup like this.
Yeah.
And given if you're at 10 and a half compression, something like that, it should be making well 850 plus for sure.
Yeah, for sure. Reaching for 900.
Yeah, awesome, man.
Go ahead and do a pull.
Yeah, we can do a little 2-3 after this car here. Yeah. This thing hits.
Screams.
This thing hits hard. My man, that's awesome.
Yep.
That's awesome, dude. That was what, 40 roll?
That was
40,
around there.
40, 50, something like that?
No brake boost.
Yeah, that was no brake boost, man. That just...
And it just screams.
God damn, dude, that 64, 66 does not play around.
It's not. The way... And it's also running on a Hall Tech. That's what helps it a lot. I noticed a big difference from going from a stock ECU. It's amazing feeling. Like the two-step, the launch.
Everything.
We can launch it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, we can.
So you're gonna pop our Tier C's cherry for. We haven't launched yet at the shootout. It's been all these all-wheel drive cars. No one's launched it. So.
Wow. Now you're gonna put more pressure on me. I love launching the car, man. It's amazing feeling. That's what I built the car for. You know, like I put all this money in the car. I like showing it off. That's the only reason I drove over here from Chicago because I like showing it off.
Yeah, absolutely, man. That's badass.
Yeah, it's driving on these tires is kind of iffy on the turns.
What wheels and tires is it on?
It's on a weld wheels with Hoosiers QTPs.
Yeah, man.
I waited 4 months from weld to get my wheels, and I got them right before shootout, so that was a perfect combo.
Oh yeah. And word it is that you like to get down on the street too.
Yes.
Hey, you know that's TRC approved right there alone.
Yeah, you know it.
So we'll plug a couple videos that you've had in the past of some races you've done. So.
Okay.
Sure.
Yeah, I've raced a couple of GTRs and. I want to race this other Evo in Chicago. His name is Piotr.
Oh, that's the official call out right there.
Yeah, there you go. Once we get back home, and then we're gonna go from there. It's another Evo, so it'll be a nice Evo with Evo action.
Oh, that's badass, man. That's it. You heard it, man. Official call out on TRC. highway for a dig.
There you go.
Hey, TRC approved. You're gonna get 2 stands, 2 TRC approved stands in the video for that. Oh man.
Things move, man.
TRC approved times 2. Oh, that was awesome, dude. Woo!
Get your heart pumping.
Bro, you launched the piss out of this thing. That was so much fun. Hell yeah, bro. What clutch is in the car?
Excetti twin discs.
Okay.
Yeah, honestly, a lot of people tell me to go more. I mean, so far it's holding up fine. I love it. It's an awesome clutch.
It worked great there. Didn't lock you out or anything?
No, nothing. It just moves.
It's moving.
It just grips and moves.
Who did the work on the car?
The owner of the shop is John Drew. He's out of Carroll Stream. The shop is called R&D Performance. I went with him when I was just stock Evo on the 85, trying to be fast, and he helped me through the whole way. Like, he did an awesome job. He's an honest guy, and honestly, I love what he does. Like, every time, whenever I have a problem, he's always open for me. Like, I can go with him. Any questions, I called him when I was here. He was pretty proud that I'm over here. The only one from Chicago that street races is over here doing pulls. Besides boosting. Boosting's a big shop.
Oh, no, for sure.
But besides that, I'm the only one out here that's really showing what the car does.
That's badass. Really glad you came, man.
Yeah. Thank you guys.
This is one that we almost didn't get to feature because we got so crazy. So many awesome cars here at the 2018 shootout. Yeah. So many awesome people that come out. The culture is so cool. But honestly, by far, this is the only one we launched in.
Yeah.
So I kind of like it the best now.
That's sick, man.
you gotta. I know all the fans are gonna go nuts because if you have an all-wheel drive car, you gotta launch it.
Yeah, right. That's the whole point. I hate when like GTRs tell you, "Oh, let's roll race. I'll roll race." I'm like, what's the point of that? You know, like we're both all-wheel drive. Like, let's get down quarter mile. You know, 1320.
That's it right there, bro. That gets another TRC approved stamp right there.
Triple kill.
So what is it, stock transmission in the car, or what's done to it?
It's just rebuilt by Dave Duong and Carroll Stream also. It's a built trans, carbon synchros, no dog box. I don't need that yet. It's doing its work with no dog box.
Badass. No, it's working really well, man.
Carbon synchros, and the TK is also rebuilt.
Okay.
The only thing stock is my drive shaft and my rear diff. And
damn, you just did a launch like that on stock drive shaft?
Yeah, and on slicks. Honestly, you just gotta get used to your car, man.
Yeah, for sure.
Don't let other people drive your car for you. Just let it eat by yourself.
For sure,
That's how it works. I want to say a shout out to all my friends that came with me from Chicago, support me. We came here to try to get a 9-second pass. We're close. Obviously my tuner couldn't make it, but he had our problems. But hopefully next time we're coming for low 9-second pass.
That's right, man. Well, that's what it's about.
Yeah, let's keep trying, never give up.
Trial and error, have fun.
Yeah.
You got to give an extra special shout out to your buddy that chased me down the track to get you this feature.
Oh, Roger. Thank you, Roger, for chasing me.
Because it wouldn't happen without him. Been an absolute blast. Thanks so much, my man.
No problem. Thank you guys.
We'll see you guys next time.